In the heart of South Africa, the green giants stand tall, commanding respect and awe. These aren't just any giants, but the towering yellowwoods, the ancient custodians of the land, reaching up to the sky in a testament to their enduring strength. They're the green backbone of the forest, their trunks like pillars holding up an emerald sky, their branches a sprawling network of life. But the yellowwoods are not alone in their reign. Complementing them, filling in the spaces beneath their lofty canopies, is an understory of diverse flora. The carpets of fynbos, a unique type of vegetation found only in South Africa, add a vibrant splash of color to the forest floor. With over 9,000 species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth, the fynbos is a botanical wonder, a kaleidoscope of biodiversity. These forests, however, are more than just a collection of trees and plants. They are the lifeblood of South Africa's ecosystem, a vital source of sustenance and shelter for countless species. From the smallest insects that burrow into the bark to the larger mammals that tread lightly on the forest floor, the forests provide a home for a myriad of creatures. Birds flit from branch to branch, their songs echoing through the forest, while monkeys swing through the trees, their laughter ringing out in the still air. And it's not just the animals that rely on the forests. These green giants play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet. They act as the Earth's lungs, breathing in carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. They help regulate the climate, their leaves catching and releasing rainwater, their roots holding the soil together, preventing erosion and landslides. As we delve deeper into the heart of South Africa's forests, we find a world teeming with life, a world that thrives in the shade of the green giants. It's a world that's been shaped by millions of years of evolution, a world that continues to evolve with each passing day. These green giants in their silent majesty form the heart of South Africa's vibrant ecosystem. Their existence intertwined with ours is a reminder of the intricate web of life that we are all a part of. Within the dense foliage of these forests, a symphony of life unfolds. Here, amid the verdant greenery and the sun-dappled leaves, an array of wildlife thrives, each creature an integral note in this symphony, each playing its unique role in the intricate dance of life. From the highest branches to the deepest burrows, the forest teems with a rich variety of life. The elusive leopard, a master of stealth and ambush, prowls quietly in the undergrowth. His presence may be hidden, but his role as a top predator is crucial in maintaining the balance of this ecosystem. Fluttering above, the vibrant sunbird darts from flower to flower, a flash of iridescent color against the green. As it sips nectar, it also plays a critical role in pollination, ensuring the continued growth and diversity of the forest's flora. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, each creature here is not just an inhabitant, but an active participant in an intricate web of life. The industrious termites decompose fallen wood, returning vital nutrients to the soil. The patient antlion with its cleverly crafted traps keeps the ant population in check. But it's not just about survival, it's about symbiosis. The hornbill and the dwarf mongoose, for instance, share a remarkable relationship. The hornbill acts as a lookout, warning the mongoose of approaching danger, while in return the mongoose stirs up insects as it forages, providing easy pickings for the bird. Every creature, every plant is interconnected in this ecosystem. They rely on each other, they impact each other. The loss of one can ripple through the entire system, altering it in ways we may not even fully understand. This is the beauty and complexity of life in the green canopy. The humming of insects, the rustling of leaves, the calls of birds, all contribute to this ongoing symphony of life. It's a melody that has been playing for millennia, shaped by the forces of nature and evolution. These creatures, each a masterpiece of nature, form the pulsating veins of this green heart. Beneath the towering canopies, the forest floor teems with an entirely different world. Here, where sunlight seldom reaches, the ground is a vibrant tapestry of life. It's a world less observed, yet it's a bustling city in its own right. From the smallest of fungi to the agile reptiles, each entity has a story to tell. The forest floor is a veritable buffet for the senses. It crackles underfoot with layers of fallen leaves, twigs, and decaying plant matter. This detritus, while seemingly insignificant, plays an important role. It's a critical nutrient recycling center where fungi, bacteria, and insects break down organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the soil. In this realm, fungi are the unsung heroes. They weave an intricate network beneath the soil, connecting different plants and trees. This wood wide web, as it's often called, facilitates nutrient sharing and communication between plants, making the forest a truly interconnected community. Insects, too, are vital characters in this narrative. Beetles scuttle through the undergrowth, ants build colossal colonies, and spiders weave intricate webs, all contributing to the biodiversity of the forest floor. They're not just residents, but also the janitors and the recyclers of the forest, helping to keep it healthy and functioning. Then there are the small mammals and reptiles, the larger inhabitants of the forest floor. Shrews and moles dig tunnels, aerating the soil, while snakes silently slither, controlling the population of rodents and insects. Each creature, no matter how small, plays a role in maintaining the balance of this complex ecosystem. The forest floor is a world of quiet, understated activity that often goes unnoticed. But it's this very activity that underpins the health and vitality of the entire forest. Each organism, each interaction contributes to the overall balance and resilience of the forest. So next time you find yourself in a forest, look down as well as up. You'll find that the forest floor, with its incredible diversity and complexity, is just as fascinating as the towering trees above. Even in the shadows of the giants, life thrives in its myriad forms, each contributing to the harmony of the forest. However, this vibrant green heart faces threats that could silence its symphony. South Africa's forests, these emerald sanctuaries, are under siege. The threats are multifaceted and insidious, each one an echo of our changing world. First, we grapple with deforestation. It's a global issue, yes, but in South Africa it strikes a particularly discordant note. These forests are not just trees, but homes to countless species. Each one felled is a story ended, a song hushed. Imagine a choir where one by one the voices fall silent. That's deforestation. Next, we're confronted by the specter of climate change. It's not just about warmer winters or unpredictable weather. It's about the subtle shifts in temperature and rainfall that can disrupt a delicate balance. The forests of South Africa have evolved over millions of years to thrive in a specific climate. Even the slightest change can have cascading effects. Species are forced to adapt, to migrate, or face extinction. The symphony of the forest becomes a cacophony of change and uncertainty. Finally, let's consider invasive species. These are plants, animals, or even fungi that are not native to South Africa. They arrive often unintentionally and find a new home to their liking. But here's the problem. They didn't evolve in these forests. They don't play by the same rules. They can outcompete, overrun, and overwhelm the local flora and fauna. And the harmony of the forest is shattered. Each of these threats, deforestation, climate change, invasive species, they all pose a significant risk not only to the forests, but to the countless species that call them home. Species that have evolved over eons to fill a specific niche, to play their part in the symphony of life. A symphony that could be silenced forever if we don't take action. The rhythm of this green heart falters under these threats, its symphony threatening to fall silent. But hope is not lost. Efforts are underway to protect and preserve this green heart. Pioneers of conservation, both local and international, have rallied to safeguard South Africa's enchanting forests and the vast biodiversity they harbor. They are the unsung heroes, the guardians of the green heart, whose dedication and hard work often go unnoticed. At the forefront of this green revolution are organizations dedicated to the preservation of the forests. They work tirelessly, conducting research, rehabilitating damaged ecosystems, and implementing strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change and deforestation. Their efforts are crucial in maintaining the delicate balance of these ecosystems, ensuring they continue to be a sanctuary for the myriad of species that call them home. But it's not just the responsibility of these organizations. Every individual has a role to play in this monumental task. Simple actions such as reducing our carbon footprint, recycling, and supporting sustainable practices can have a significant impact. By making conscious choices, we can help reduce the pressure on these precious ecosystems. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of these forests and the threats they face is another critical step. Knowledge is power, and by understanding the value of these habitats, we can better appreciate their significance and work towards their preservation. We can also support the work of conservation organizations through donations or volunteer work. Every bit of help, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of protecting and preserving these magnificent forests. The fight to protect the green heart is a collective one. It requires the efforts of everyone, from the individual who chooses to recycle to the scientist in the field studying the effects of climate change. It's a fight that we must all be a part of for the sake of our planet and future generations. By standing together, we can ensure that the symphony of the green heart continues to play, a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature.